Hello, it's me Trish. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to use SOLIDWORKS and how to sketch this trazoid figure in SOLIDWORKS 2021. So to start, click the top plane, then front, then click the rectangle center. Then we will make a rectangle here. Then click OK, Smart Dimension. Its dimension should be 3.75. This side should be 3 inches. Then click OK. And then command or click the fillet or sketch fillet. The parameter should be 0.50 inches. Then click the four sides of this figure. And then click OK. And then after that, command center circle and then make a circle here at the 4 points of this figure, and then this circle should be 0.38 dimension and should be equal with each other. After that, isometric view, then click features, extrude, boss or base. Then the direction should be blind and then 0.38 inches. Then click OK. Then as you can see that our figure has been extruded. Then click this part. After clicking this part, click sketch and then click the corner rectangle and then make a rectangle here at the bottom part of this figure, and smart dimension. The dimension of this should be 0.06, and then click smart dimension, then these points, and this should be 1.13. Then to the other side as well, 1.13. Then after that, click OK. And then isometric view. Then click features, extruded cut, then click through all, and then click OK. As you can see, the thing that we did has been extruded. Then after that, click the right plane and then Ctrl 8. Then click the line starting from here, make a straight line upward and diagonal line, and then make it construction geometry, just like that. Then after that, put dimension, it should be 2.66, and then zoom out, then it should be 30-degree angle, and then this part should be 2.38 inches. Okay, after that, hide it, the dimension, and then isometric view, and then hide that dimension, and after that, click this part and this part as well, then produce a plane, then adjust the plane for it to be exact. Then click sketch, then click this line and convert it to convert entities. Then after that, make it construction geometry again. So after making it construction geometry, make a rectangle at the midpoint of this line and then click OK. Then this line and this line should be coincident. Then after that, click OK. After you do that, the next thing that we will be doing is that we will put dimension. It should be 1.88, and then we will fillet it with 0.31 inches, and then click OK after that. Then click center or circle rather, and then put a 4 circles, just like what we did earlier. And this circle should be smart dimension 0.31. And it should be equal. And then, after doing that, click the Control 7 and isometric view, and then features. Then, extrude. We will extrude this at 0.31. Then, click OK. Now, the figure has been extruded. Then, after that, we will hide this first and the plane as well. And then, we will make another part of this trazoid figure, and then click top. Then after that, what we will be doing is that click this entire figure, and then click sketch, then click and then make a rectangle that looks like a T, and then trim the excess entities. Then make sure that the sides are equal and it's vertical. Then after doing that, we will now proceed in dimensioning. We will use smart dimension. At this point should be dimension of 0.16, or rather 1.6. And then should be 0.31 as well. Then isometric view. And after that, show the plane and the thing that we did earlier. Unhide it. Then after that, click OK. And that's it. So the next thing that we will be doing is that we have to extrude that, and then up to surface, that, then click that surface. Then as you can see, it's now been extruded. Next thing that we will be doing is that we will hide the plane again, and we will start cutting it according to the original figure. So to start, we will first click this, and then right click, and then sketch. And then after that, click the line, then make a line starting from here to here, down to here, and then diagonal. Then we will do it on the other side. Click OK first, and then hide it, and then drag, then click press left, then click line again, then make a line, just like that. Then after doing that, the next thing we will be doing is that OK, and then hide. Then we will isometric view, then features, loft cut, or cut loft, then click that line, and then as you can see, it has now been cut. Then mirror, choose the right plane, then click here, then click OK, and that's it. So the last part that we will be doing is that we have to make a circle. So to start, we will first change the design style so that it is for us to make a circle. And then after that, we have to click the circle. First, click the sketch, then click the circle, and then point here, then the circle. First, the outer, and then the inner. Click OK. Then we will start the will be at this point of this center of the circle. Down to the bottom part of this line, it should be 1.38. And then the next dimension will be, it should be 0.75. Then click OK. And then the inner part should be 0.50. Then next should be, the last dimension of this is that at the center point of the circle and at the origin, it should be 0.50 as well. Then click OK. Then that's it. We will make the view isometric, and then after that, features, then extruded boss or base, then we'll extrude it, should be reverse, then contours, click the inside circle, and then after doing that, the next thing is that it should be through all. The direction 2 should be through all as well. Then as you can see, it is now extruded. And then the next thing that we will be doing is that we will change the design style so that it is easy for us to view. And now, that is the final output. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Bye!